Hi everyone, just a quick video to show you how to remove the screen or the dash on the Transalp XL750. There is a accessories connector behind the dash that you need to get to if you want to install a 12 volt, or you can also buy a cable splitter to fit accessories or a switched live. That's the cable splitter there. To remove the dash, it's two 5mm Allen key heads or hex heads, just one there and one there. I've already removed them. And then these little pins here, the body clips that you remove, there's one down there and one there, and that's all you have to do to take them out. These clips, the way they work, they'll be like that when they're in the bike with the surface flat. Oh. All you need to do is preferably use something plastic, but there's the little sensor. You just press that in and that releases it, and you then pull the pin out. Once it's out and you want to put it back in, you press the bottom all the way out. That's it. This will then slide back in and you simply press that flat. They're so easy to remove. So that's how you do those without breaking them. I've got the right drops today. To get the dash off, once those two screws and the two pins are removed, simply get the bottom there and just pull it slightly out and up, and you just feel that click. And if you get a plastic tool remover, just place it under there, and that one pops. And that one pops. There you go, that's that one. There you go. And that is it. That is all you have to do. Right, if you just bring the camera, I'll just take that. Can you just pull that screen just a little bit? Okay, hopefully you can see now the switched live connector is there. So all you have to do to actually remove the screen is just pull that connector, pull the rubber off, and then on the top of the connector is a little clip that you press down and that will release it to remove it. I'm not actually going to do that because I did it the other day and it made the engine management light flash up, but I think it's because I didn't plug it back in properly until it clicked, which then just threw up sensor readings. So that is how you remove the screen, and I've already put in a little plug ready because I've already run the camera through the bike. So I've put front and rear cameras on my wife's bike for her. Just one there, and then one there. So that is how you remove the screen, and then to put it back, you can see the bungs, the little plastic. That's where it just pops into. And then one there, and then one there. You just push it back in. Nice and easy. Hope that helps. Take care. See you soon.